So in this video, I will show you the best way to sell your Instagram page safely and securely. You don't need to be afraid of getting scammed or selling your account in a lower price than you should. I will show you how to calculate your account's worth, how to write a description, the right screenshots to take, the best website to use of course, which is not talked about a lot, how the whole process works, which contains a middleman to make things more secure. Selling Instagram pages is considered legit. Even though Instagram doesn't agree with selling and buying pages, it's basically legal, so you don't have to worry about getting in jail, but of course do your own research. It can be intimidating at first, but I will show you the right steps to make the whole process easy and simple. And this works basically for every social media platform and any account you want to sell, even if that's a TikTok page, an Instagram page, or a YouTube channel. So let's jump to my computer and I will show you how to do exactly everything you need to do. So let's go. So the website is swap.co. I will leave a link down in the description. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that, don't worry. This is the best and safest website you can use to buy and sell social media accounts. And I will show you how to navigate through this website to get the most out of it. I am already logged in my account, but of course you will have to create an account in order to create a listing, and you will have to verify your identity. So if I go to my profile here, you will see in the badges section that I have my ID verified. You will verify it by providing a government issued ID. This is completely safe to do not worry about it at all, and it makes it safer for everyone because you will know that the other person is a real person and that he is trustworthy. And some accounts have a warning badge, so you know that you can stay away from them. After you create an account, you verified, and you're ready and you're good to go. Of course, you will speak with the staff of Swapped to do all that. You will go then next to your profile picture on the 3 lines and you will click on Instagram. If Instagram is not there, just click on social media and you will find Instagram through there. And there you can see all the listings. Take an idea, see the prices. Does your page have 100k followers? Then you can search for other accounts that have 100k followers with audience from the same country. Check the analytics and all that kind of stuff to make sure that these accounts are similar. How much should you sell the account for? On Swap, you can sell for $10 per 1,000 followers. So if you have 10k followers, you can sell for about $100. Of course, if you have US audience and it's high engagement, then the 10k account, you can even sell for $300, maybe $250 for example. I have sold an account with 13k followers for about $300, which was a crazy deal. So look at the other listings as well and get an idea of how much you can sell your account for and price your account accordingly. If your account has more engagement, for example, you can up the price. If your account has US audience, you can up the price even more. People are looking for US audience, accounts with good engagement, and also to have the original email. So if you don't want to give the original email, which is the email that the account was created with and it is linked with, then do not give that email. Make sure to change the email to one you do not use so that you can give it away. This will be the preparation basically, and then you will be good to go. And also take screenshots of the analytics. And also on the screenshots, the username of the account should not be visible. You cannot mention the username. I will explain later. So here you can see he took screenshots of the regions, of the age groups, and the gender. And of course, there is a post like this, probably is the most liked post with the username hidden. How do the account see the username? They will basically private message you or comment on the listing to give them the username of the account. You will give them the username, they will check it out, and then they will tell you if they are interested or not. Now let's see how you can create a listing. So here in the Instagram section, down on your right, you can see a new topic. Click on new topic, and here is where you create a listing. What is this discussion about is basically the title of the listing. You can get ideas from other listings, of course. So first of all, you should mention the number of followers that the account has. Let's say 100k followers. 100k, the niche. 100k fitness, let's say. You can put one of these. US audience, and if it's highly active, put highly active. If it's non-active, put non-active in. It's a bit different from the other ones. You put your own spin on it. Of course, if it has an OG email, you can also mention that in the title. So this one, for example, which was my brother's page, USA, I was mentioning USA first because there are not many accounts that have US audience, 52.2k followers. I also mentioned the likes, monetized movies page, and it also had 45 bucks in balance. That is important was mentioned in the title. Basically words that grab the attention, like, whoa, this page is monetized, I have to check it out. So after the title, we go to the price. For example, here we will say, since it's US audience and high engagement, let's say that we want to sell it for $1,300. Alright, 1300 USD, and we also can mention, if you want, or best offer, then the URL or handle. You of course have to put the handle here, username or the link, whatever you want. So here next, country of followers, amount of followers, the niche, does it have the original email, and what methods did you use to grow it. In most cases you put organic there. In the description you have to tell why you're selling the account. This is very important, because if someone sees an 100k account there for sale, they might wonder, why is that person selling the account? Does it have maybe a problem? Maybe it doesn't get views anymore, doesn't get likes, no engagement. You have to mention the reason you're selling the account. Maybe you don't have time for it, maybe you just need the extra cash. Just say the reason so that people know you're not scamming them, basically. And also you can mention other stuff. Make the offer more appealing, like you can make a lot of money with it using this and that. Maybe tell them how you made money with the account. Even if it's a little money, you don't have to mention the amounts. Now you're done and you are waiting for the messages. Let's say 1 or 2 days have passed and you had no messages, or you didn't end up with a deal. You should now go to your listing, scroll down there where it will say share, bookmark, flag and all that stuff. You should click on bump. Before you click on bump, basically every time a new listing comes up, your post gets buried underneath that. When more and more listings come up, you go lower. So there are low chances that your post will be seen, that your listing will be seen. So when you click bump, your listing goes back to the top. Pretty simple and really useful because it will be seen by more people. One thing that you should never do is leave the platform. If anyone sends you a message, says that is interested, offers you money and tells you to go and do the deal on another platform, do not do that. Everything should be done on Swapped. The platform has a middleman which will handle everything and help you out and make the whole process safe. Also, you can calculate the fees that you will pay on Swapped because you have a middleman. On the top, on the black bar, you have start checkout, underneath fee calculator. Here you will put the example of the price that you're selling, category, social media, payment type, let's say you are getting paid with PayPal and you're not a VIP member. Let's say you're not, and you sell it for 1300, calculated fee, you have a limit of 1000. So let's say you sell it for 1000, okay. You'll basically get 821. You can talk with the buyer and see maybe if he can pay half or maybe he can pay everything for the fees. For Bitcoin, the fees are way less. Find a payment type that is best for you. Everything here is safe, so you don't have to worry. Just pick one that suits you best and has a reasonable fee. When you find a buyer in the bottom of the conversation with the person you are talking and wants to buy the account, you can click next to reply, start checkout ticket. I cannot do that right now, but you can follow all the simple steps that you have to follow. You will have a middleman there, so this way you're 100% safe. You follow just the steps that they give you, the instructions they give you. He will first send the money to the middleman will secure it and tell you that, hey, everything's fine. For Instagram, if I'm not mistaken, you give the credentials to the middleman again, they will secure the account, and then they will give you the money and they will give them the page. So that's basically it. Pretty simple, I guess, but if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, or you can message me on Instagram and we can talk about that, and I can help you answer any questions you have and help you with selling your page. I hope that this video helped you and that you learned how to actually sell your page. So now that you know how to sell a page, you might want to watch this video next, which will teach you how to grow on TikTok and sell more accounts, or maybe even help you start your flipping account business. 99% of what I'm mentioning in this video also works on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.